out the truck, I hit the switches on the Chevy. Oh, bar style wristband, thinking that you ballin', but the bank account don't end. Catch a pussy right to stop it. Always speaking money, so I better run the language. Chopper hanging on my neck, with a tight diamond ring. Bro, you faking, I can see through your facade. I've been on the G, check a motherfucker, pull a sucker card. Deep up in the trenches like a Rambo. Baking next to you, come back and make sure that this Rambo. Polish up my shoes, get my coat, right down 100 spokes. Twist me up a brother, light it up, and you can go. I used to dream of miles of bodies, really special, crazy, feel like on the pages, can't be waiting, pacey, bats and bases. Yeah, put 'em on with the chrome, they know, they wanna kill me every city I go to. Can't beat guerrilla warfare when we roll through. Energy on the rise, enemies need to die, some of they gon' get victimized. I don't wanna meet the reaper, yeah, so I'm stuck in the drive-by. Side eye, they tell lies, I abide by the set laws of my guys. Stay loyal for these hoes, they making my blood boil. When I die, bury me with that Miami soil. I'm a dead gunny, boy, don't you forget about it. Ride around my city with my bitch and my whole fire behind me. Yeah.
charge the police, ain't catching it now. Let's go. Wanna be down with the gang, gotta catch you one. Glock got to split the A, I got 100, but ain't get no money, little nigga, go get you some. Get you some, better get you some, whoa. I had to stand down on nigga, I ain't give me nothing. Stick it on me for the low, but can't front you, man. gas and I do a stunt. You ain't got no fool in your hood, you ain't running up. Invest my money, I flip it and run it up. If it on me, better think before running up. Don't try to beef with me unless you 100 up. Nigga double O, whoa. Catch on no love for my feelings and double cup. Reaching my thing, they the short and we going up. Team full of shooters, ain't no nigga born us. Got the odds wanna join us. Bitch group that acting like they be knowing us. Dealing my tags when I pull up a phone truck. I'm trying, you little neither one of my choices. I get a tummy tuck, but I can't spoil them. My body kid on my beat with the boys. Guess on the net in real life, they gon' boil us. Came a long way, 7 grams out of quarter. Still a street nigga, pull up in the store. Can't post on my hood, man, I come across the quarter. When I clear out my schedule, I'm in the hood every day on the regular. I'm beside Memphis, those 6 on Chevy truck. Straight A, charge police ain't catching it now. Let's go. Wanna be down with the gang, gotta catch one. Like I got to split the A, I got 100, but he ain't get no money, little nigga. Go get you some, better get you some, whoa. Can't take these right niggas serious, my gin, they a mirror. This leather supreme on my coat. My car, the cat life fast and furious. Give me a ton of business, this sipping and rolling the road. Get a trail me through the city, I'm clutching the Glock. Still ride with my Drake on the floor. Profit off poverty, yeah, I'm the GOAT. I made a living, I grasp, but this in the past. I guess if you know, then you know. No, I can't give him a pass, but we on your ass. I caught him that bad with the hoe. Gotta go, you can't have with the gang, hurt the toe. Out of my head, man, I'm Zulu with souls. Bitch, bikini, white paint on my toes. Beat her back in at the fountain top flow. When I clear out my schedule, I'm in the hood every day on the regular. I'm beside Memphis, those 6 on Chevy truck. Straight A, charge police ain't catching us now. Let's go. Wanna be down with the gang, gotta catch one. I got to split the A, I got 100, but he